Imagine your kidneys as two quiet night guards inside your body. They stand there silently, doing their job without rest, without noise, and without asking for attention. These guards never sleep, day and night. They keep working, filtering your blood again and again, even while you're resting. And the most surprising part is this: they never complain. No matter how hard the work becomes, they continue silently. Now imagine something changing. Picture sugar slowly entering your bloodstream, becoming part of the system your kidneys must deal with. Suddenly, those guards are no longer just standing calmly, they are forced to move faster, work harder, and handle more than usual. Sugar doesn't just raise blood sugar levels. It quietly changes how filtration works inside your kidneys, increasing the load they must process. Over time, this extra pressure begins to build. And the scary thing is you feel completely normal while this is happening. That's what makes kidney damage dangerous. Your kidneys don't send warning signals early, even when stress is building inside them. It's like pressing a car's accelerator all the way down. The engine keeps running at full speed hour after hour, without a break. Eventually, even the strongest engine starts wearing out. The same thing slowly happens inside your kidneys. But here's where the story changes direction. Something unexpected happens when sugar is removed. What happens in just the first few days without sugar is often more powerful than people expect. The first 72 hours can feel difficult. Your body is adjusting, and your brain is missing its quick fuel. Your brain may complain during this time, but quietly deep inside, your kidneys begin to relax. With less sugar coming in, pressure inside the kidneys starts dropping. And this change begins almost immediately. Within just a few days, your blood becomes cleaner, there is less waste, less overload, and smoother filtration. Your kidneys slowly return to a gentler rhythm. They no longer feel rushed or overloaded. Think of it like a filter that was working non-stop for years. Finally, it gets a chance to breathe. Damage that built up slowly over many years doesn't disappear overnight, but it begins to slow down. Balance starts returning inside your body, systems begin working together instead of fighting overload. This is the moment where healing truly begins. Not instantly, but steadily and naturally. Your kidneys are not just recovering for a short time, they are protecting your future health day by day. Because when you protect your kidneys today, you protect your energy, your strength, and your life for years to come.